In this problem, the circuit shown in the battery of V volts has no internal resistance. All three condensers are equal in capacity. Find the condenser that carries more charge. So our motto is to find the capacitor which is having more charge. We don't know which is the exact capacitor having more charge. Our motto is the capacitor with more charge. That is the thing we need to find out. That is our motto. So if you see, so we'll come to investigation. So in the investigation, C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3. That means all three are having same capacitance. There is no internal resistance. So that means wherever the connections you have used, that connection doesn't have resistance. Now I'll resolve the circuit. First of all, I'll redraw the circuit. So this is the drawing. Now I am naming the plates of the capacitors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I am naming the plates of the battery also 7 and 8. Now look at this. I am redrawing the circuit according to the ends which are connected in common. So here 2, 3 are 2. Look at this, 2, 3 and 5 and 8 are connected commonly. That means I can redraw like this. I have a common point. From that common point I have second plate, third plate, fifth plate and eighth plate. Second plate, third plate, fifth plate and eighth plate. And for second, one is the opposite plate, and for third, fourth is opposite plate, and for fifth, sixth is opposite plate, and for eighth, 7 is the opposite plate. One, 4, 6 and 7. Look at this. 1 is connected here and 7 is connected here. So it means 1 and 7 are having common point. 1 and 7 are having common point. 4 and 6 are having common point. So 4 and 6 are having common point, and that 4 and 6th common point is connected to the common point of 1 and 7. That means, shall I connect here? That's all. So by seeing this, what you have observed, all three capacitors are connected in parallel with the battery. So assume that it is V. So all the three are having capacitance C, because all are having same capacitance C. Then the charge distribution will be also the same for all capacitors because they are connected at common potentials. So for example, C1 is equal to C, so C2 is equal to C, C3 is equal to C, but Q1 is equal to C1V. Why V? Because they all are connected at common potentials, parallel, so are connected at common potential. That is equal to C1 is CV, and as well as Q2 is equal to CV, Q3 is equal to CV. That means no capacitor have more charge than the remaining two. So here capacitor with more charge is, we can't say, because all the three capacitors are having same charge. So Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3.